In this video you will learn how to install Llama OnlyOffice Desktop Editor and how to integrate Llama with OnlyOffice Desktop Editor. You can visit Llama GitHub repository by typing website address as shown in point 1 of screenshot. You can read quick summary about Llama in point 2 and to download Llama for Mac operating system. You can click on releases as shown in point 3 of screenshot. Now you can download the release for Mac operating system as highlighted in point 5. Now double-click the Llama installer after extracting from zip file and follow self-explanatory instructions as shown in point 7 of screenshot. Once Llama is installed on Mac operating system, then the next step is to pull large language models. You can visit Llama website and click on models to choose the right model for your work as shown in point 8 of the screenshot. You can choose model based on features and popularity as shown in point 9 and 10 of screenshot, or based on specific task required for your work as shown in point 11 and 12 of the screenshot. Once you click on model of your choice, you can choose the model size and respective pull or run command as shown in point 13 and 14 screenshot. We will use these commands to pull or run Llama models in our system terminal. Now we just need to pull the model by typing in our system terminal Llama pull or run command as shown in point 15. To use Llama API in OnlyOffice Desktop Editor, we need to start Llama server with Llama serve command. What is OnlyOffice Desktop Editor? An Office suite that combines text, spreadsheet, and presentation editors, allowing to create, view, and edit local documents. Now we have installed Llama, let us install OnlyOffice Desktop Editor on Mac operating system. To install OnlyOffice Desktop Editor, visit GitHub repository or official website to download the installer. Click on Releases to download the installer. Click on Installer as per your system specifications to start download process. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer to start installation process. Now copy OnlyOffice Desktop Editor in Application folder. Now open OnlyOffice Desktop Editor from Applications and click on Document. Now click on Plugin Manager to install Artificial Intelligence plugin. Choose Artificial Intelligence plugin and click on Install. Now click on Background plugin to activate Artificial Intelligence plugin. Switch on Artificial Intelligence plugin. Now in Artificial Intelligence tab, click on Setting to use different large language models. Now click on Edit Models. Click on Add Models. Now just choose Llama. System will take Llama server details and available models automatically. Choose your favorite model if you wish to change default model. Now choose the model to be used for asking artificial intelligence. Summarization, translation, text analysis. Now select the text for your question and you have two options. 1. You can just click on Make Longer, it should answer your question, or option 2, click on Chat option to generate text and copy text back to document. In this I have used option to make longer without need to copy and paste generated text. Now you can see the text generated by option Make Longer Text. Now select the text again and right-click to choose Fix Spelling and Grammar. Kindly note that you can use different models for text generation and other work by clicking on Edit Models. Sometimes you need longer and fast text generation, and for document checking and summarization you may use heavy models. Now use rewrite function to write text differently. Translate your text in different language based on model capability. You can also click on chat for your text. You can also check summarization of text side by side. Click of translation setting to choose preferred languages. Click on OK button to set default translation. Thanks for watching the video.